let's output this next example. We want to know how many images we have in our document. So we type document dot images and dot length. We do the same for the anchors. You see we have three anchor tags and 3 images. So let's test this out. Images 0 and 0. Let's see. Oh, I see what's wrong. Nope, that's not it. Okay, so I see. You see, this is script tag. It's declaring to inside of our head tag. And remember when I told you guys that JavaScript is a scripting language? So that means this JavaScript code is not compiled. It is interpreted. And that means that it's interpreted line by line. So by the time I created this script tag, these images were not yet defined. So let's move this all the way to the end. You're gonna see the difference right here. See, 3 images, 3 anchors. Okay, so I think we're done with our. Now let's do one more thing. Let's manipulate an image through our document property images. So we're going to store an image into this variable document.images. Now this images property it's actually an array. So you want to grab the first item of this array and store it in a variable called image. Now what you want to do is add an event listener to this image. Add event listener. We want to listen to the mouse over event. We want to call an anonymous function, and it's gonna alert image 1. We'll type false here. So let's hover. Oh, unexpected token. Double comma right there. See, we hover over these 2 images, nothing happens. This one, image 1. Alright, so that's working. So that's one way that you can access your images through the JavaScript code. Now our last object is the window object, and the first method that we're going to see is the open object. Now you need to provide a valid URL to this open method. So let's type http www.google.com. Let's see. Nothing happens. Oh, it's window, not window with uppercase. See, Google. So to show you guys some properties of the window object, I'm going to store this new window into a variable called win. So another method, it's the resize resize to. And we want to resize this to a certain dimension. Let's do 500 by 300. See the result. See, 500 by 300, and you see it's located in the 0, 0 position. So to move this window, we can call the move to method, and we want to move it to the 100 position. So that would be like around here, somewhere in here. Now let's test my hypothesis. Oh man, what is it? Ah, shoot. Well, that's 100 by 100 on the x-axis and the y-axis. I'm gonna comment this out so it stops bothering me. And we can also access some properties of the window object, and we want to output this to the console. We can access the window size, for example. The window size. You type win dot outer width and plus win that outer height. That will give us the window size, and we can also access the position. New window position by typing win that screen x and win that screen y. So let's see that. See 500 by 300, and then see 100 position. So to end with this, we're going to see one last method, and that's a close method. So it's going to open a window, it's going to resize it, move it to a certain position, 100 by 100, and then it's going to close it. See? Okay, so that's it for this tutorial. Those are some basic methods and properties of two browser objects and a JavaScript object. So I just want to tell you guys that the main purpose of this tutorial was to introduce you to the JavaScript programming language. What we're gonna do is we're gonna do a little project so you can guys learn JavaScript and apply it to a little game that we're gonna do. I'm thinking of a memory game with some 3D rotations and some cool stuff. So I'm looking forward to it. Any questions, any doubts that you have, you can comment me or email me. I'm gonna give you my email down in the description. So thank you guys for watching. Comment, subscribe, like if you really like this tutorial. Stay tuned for my next videos, and I'll see you soon.